It makes me proud to be at WFG, the number of families that we're able to take care of. In Canada, the 91% that aren't getting attention at all, which was us back in the day, who, wake up in the middle of the night wondering, how they're going to make it through the next day, the next month, what retirement looks like, what about their kids. And we're able to give them some relief from that stress and able to help them have a plan and a friendship and a trusting relationship that's not going to make them feel dumb, but constantly educate and teach them. And I just love that piece. So what originally attracted me to WFG was that my husband and I were both music teachers. Our oldest son, Ryan, was a hockey-playing violinist academic in Canada, had a chance to go to the US on a half ride, and we simply didn't have the other 25,000 times 4 years. And I ended up sitting down with Corey Michaud. He freed us up $1,800 in cash every month. That then we reallocated once I got over myself for messing up, but we reallocated that for Ryan to be able to go. And then 3 years later, our daughter was an actor, singer, dancer, no degree program for that in Canada. She ended up getting accepted at University of Arizona. Out of 800, they take 12 or 15. And we didn't want to say no. I went back to Corey and I said, now what? He said, well, I did a miracle for Ryan. Not sure I got another one, but you can teach. I said, yeah. He said, why don't you come teach with us? What sets WFG apart from other entrepreneurship opportunities is that you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. I don't do sales. I'm a teacher by trade. I've taught all my life. And so I think instead of being pressured by having to do a sale, just go teach people. Show them their options. Show them what they can be doing differently from what they're doing now and how that'll improve their life. And it's just as they get pumped about it, you'll get pumped about it. And so just go teach. And I just love the fact that the difference it made for our family and how I'm now blessed to make that same difference for a whole bunch of other families.